everybody, it's Carmen with Family Handyman, and today we are talking about how to cut corners with baseboard. Here we go. So when you're starting on any corner, what you want to do is check and see if that corner actually has a 90-degree angle, or if it's 46 or 44 and a half, what is the angle? Because then we can adjust. So let's verify. First, most of you probably have a nice framing square like this, or a little speed square, and if you put it right in the corner, this has a 90-degree, and you see how there's a rock there? That means we do not have a true right angle. Now, if you have a really plain, just a piece of common board, this is a 1x6, really 3/4 by 5.5, you can just butt it in just like this and call it a day. Now you see how it's a little open, but that's enough to put a little caulk in there, and I'm good with that. So that's option one. Just use a butt joint. I've got options in case the wall is kind of wonky. I've got some popsicle sticks that I've cut in half. This is gonna help me change gaps. But before I opt to these, we're gonna check the 45 degrees. 45-degree angle here. 45-degree angle here. Boom. It's a little off. See this space here? See how it's a little off there? So I'm gonna put it behind here. I'm gonna tuck it in, and that seamed up our little gap perfectly. Now, I've cut 45.5 degrees. This is option number 3. I'm just gonna show you. 45, I can tell the wall's more crooked, and here's 45.5. Now we've got a really big gap. I would not go with that. Our last option is I cut another set at 44.5. I'm gonna tuck it in here. That looks a lot better in the corner. And then I'm gonna tuck this one in here. And that actually makes me happy. So there you have it, how to cut corners for baseboards. For this and more, visit us at familyhandyman.com.